Residential construction for under $10,000. One award of excellence goes to Oakridge Landscapes Contractors for utilities in disguise. The client wanted to permanently hide several unsightly utility services along the side of the house. Residential construction, $10,000 to $25,000. Wentworth Landscapes, put your hands together for Monet's Path. The pathway leads through a series of large, layered, herbaceous planting beds to the arbor gate in the back garden that lies beyond. And to Cypress Design and Build for Garden Party. Along with outdated stonework, there were major drainage issues to be addressed with this site. The resulting whimsical garden was just what the client was hoping for. And another to Cypress Hill Design and Build for Dreams of Muskoka. Granite boulders were placed in the garden bed to give natural Muskoka feel. Royal Stone Landscape and Design for Texture. Key features here included exposed aggregate and smooth concrete finishes. This is a big category. Residential construction, $25,000 to $50,000. Our first award of excellence goes to Flattery Design for Curving Boundary. A curved cedar screen became the showpiece of this garden project. Yeah, put your hands together. We all know how much work this takes. And to Shades of Summer, Landscaping and Maintenance. That's what I like to hear for Fotheringham. This front yard makeover features a flagstone porch, walkway, custom cut, natural stone steps, new gardens, and a wider driveway. Earthscape Ontario for Petite and Peaceful. In the spring and during the heavy rains, flooding would occur in this yard. Earthscape removed 3 large trees to increase sunlight, and French drain was installed. Earthscapes gets another, Earthscape Ontario for Horizontal Haven. The new deck was installed using Western red cedar. The same lumber was used to install new horizontal fence and privacy screen. Royal Stone Landscape and Design Limited for Modern Entry. Exposed concrete driveway with granite stone inlay was built to accent the colors of the house. Balsam Creek Landscaping. Yeah, put your hands together. Woo! The client desired a new landscape that felt like it had always been there. Instant gratification. And to Oakridge Landscape Contractors Limited for the Maraca residence. The yard was divided into 3 tiers: cooking, dining, and lounging. Cypress Design and Build for a grand entrance. The client wanted a grander entrance with walls and sitting area and plantings to provide seasonal interest. Limestone Trail Co. Incorporated for Echo Pavilion. The client wanted a substantial shade structure that would integrate seamlessly with the landscape. Griffith Property Services Limited for Make Every Inch Count. This small residential property had a big wish list. Very low maintenance, a play set, putting green, patio with shade, and they wanted a fire table. Plantenance Landscape Group for hanging out in style. This complete landscape transformation converted a confined backyard to an outdoor escape. Put your hands together. Yep, beautiful. Now I'd like to welcome to the stage winners for the under 10, 10 to 25, 25 to $50,000 residential construction projects. Congratulations.